Hello everyone, welcome to Install Mania. Sometime we need to play multimedia like MP4 or MKV format videos on Windows. So we need to install multimedia player on Windows 11 PC to run those files. So that's why in this tutorial I will show you how to install VLC multimedia player on Windows 11 PC. So I open my browser and type VLC and hit enter. VLC is a open source portable cross-platform multimedia player. It is developed by VideoLAN project. VLC available for desktop operating system and also mobile platforms such as Android, iOS, iPad OS. So now I entered their official website, and this is the official website, and it shows some download option for operating systems. So this is the download button, so I click on download VLC button. Then within few seconds it will start downloading setup file. So download is started. It will take few seconds. Download is completed. I minimize my browser, and this is the setup file of VLC multimedia player. So I double click on it and it asks me permission. I click on yes. Then we need to select language. I click on OK, and then this is the setup wizard. So I click on next button, and there are many options. I select recommended option and click on next, and then click on install. Here it take few minutes to finish this installation process. I fast forward this process. So installation is completed. I click on finish button. So it asks me network privacy. I check the allow metadata network access and regular check for VLC update. I check both and click on continue button. This is the first user interface of VLC multimedia player. When I choose files from this option, I can play any MP4 by this software. So that was my video. In this video, I will show you how to install VLC multimedia player on Windows 11 PC. So if you like this video, hit the like button. If you watch this video on Facebook, please follow my Facebook page. If you watch this video on YouTube, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.